all on the bill. So I'm going to try and spice it up a little bit for these bands because they're not really that acoustic. They like to make some noise. We've got some lights going and some smoke machines and all that, so it should be pretty mad. Do check out the video next week, guys, of that Live Lounge performance. I normally post about Tuesday or Wednesday or something like that. Very interested to see how it goes. I hope I don't set fire to nothing. Right, this is the Foo Fighters, guys, with All My Life. What a band. Have a go.
All my life I've been searching for something. Something never comes, never leads to nothing. Nothing satisfies, but I'm getting close. Closer to the prize at the end of the rope. All night long I dream of the day when it comes around and it's taken away. Leaves me with the feeling that I feel the most. Feel it come to life when I see your ghost.
Just what I need. Another reason to bleed. One by one hitting up my sleeve.
One by one hitting up my sleeve. Something never comes, never leads to nothing. Nothing satisfies, but I'm getting close. Closer to the prize at the end of the rope. All night long, I'm dreaming of the day when it comes around and it's taken away. Leaves me with the feeling that I feel the most. Feel it come to life when I see your ghost. Then I'm done, done. On to the next one, done. Done and I'm on to the next one, done. Done and I'm on to the next one, done. Done and I'm on to the next one, done. Done and I'm on to the next one, done. Done and I'm on to the next one, done. Done and I'm on to the next one, done. I'm done and I'm on to the next.
Dr. Dolittle, but there are times when I think birds are the only ones I can really talk to. Maybe that's because I'm a partridge. Alan Partridge.
TV screen, coming at you every Sunday. See the face on the billboard, well that man is me. On the cover of the magazine, there's no question why I'm smiling. You buy a piece of paradise, you buy a piece of me. I'll get you everything you wanted, I'll get you everything you need. You don't need to believe in hereafter, just believe in me. 'Cause Jesus, he knows me, and he knows I'm right. I've been talking to Jesus all my life. Oh yes, he knows me, and he knows I'm right. And he's been telling me everything is alright. I believe in the family, with my ever-loving wife beside me. But she don't know about my girlfriend or the man I met last night. Do you believe in God? 'Cause that is the war I'm selling. And if you wanna get to heaven, I'll see you right. You won't even have to leave your house or get out of your chair. You don't even have to touch that dial, 'cause I'm everywhere. And Jesus, he knows me, and he knows I'm right. I've been talking to Jesus all my life. Oh yes, he knows me, and he knows I'm right. Well, he's been telling me everything's gonna be alright. Won't find me practicing what I'm preaching. Won't find me making no sacrifice. But I can get you a pocket full of miracles. If you promise to be good, try to be nice. God will take good care of you. But just to do as I say, don't do as I do. While I'm counting my blessings, 'cause I found true happiness. 'Cause I'm getting richer day by day. You can find me in the phone book, just call my toll-free number. You can do it any way you want, just do it right away. There'll be no doubt in your mind, you believe everything I'm saying. If you wanna get closer to him, get on your knees and start praying. 'Cause Jesus, he knows me, and he knows I'm right. I've been talking to Jesus all my life. Oh yes, he knows me, and he knows I'm right. Well, he's been telling me everything's gonna be alright. 'Cause Jesus, he knows me, and he knows I'm right. He knows, oh yes, he knows me, and he knows I'm right. I've been talking to Jesus all my life, and he's been telling me everything's gonna be alright, alright. Jesus, he knows me. 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 Jesus, he knows me.
That was Jesus, He Knows Me by Genesis. Not like you didn't know that, like, but there you go. A true thing, Noel Gallagher absolutely fucking hates Phil Collins. I've seen so many interviews over the years where he just absolutely hates him, despises him to the point. Never quite got my head around that one, like, he never quite says why he hates him so much, but there you go. Noel Gallagher hates Phil Collins, but then again, Noel Gallagher hates everybody pretty much, doesn't he? This is The Pretenders, I'll Stand By You. Don't forget, guys, coming up very shortly, we do have Interrobang in the Live Lounge. Very much looking forward to this.
Why you look so sad? The tears are in your eyes. Come on and come to me now. You don't be ashamed to cry. Let me see you through. 'Cause I've seen the dark eyes, I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. So, if you're mad, get mad. Don't hold it all inside. Come on and talk to me now. Hey, what do you got to hide? I get angry too. Well, I'm alive like you. When you're standing at the crossroads, but don't know which path to choose. Let me come along. 'Cause even if you're wrong, I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. Take me into your darkest hour, and I'll never desert you. I'll stand by you. And when the night falls on you, baby, you're feeling all alone. Won't be on your own. I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. Take me into your darkest hour, and I'll never desert you. I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. Baby, into your darkest hour, and I'll never desert you. I'll stand by you. I'll stand
What do you want to be when you grow up, like?
I want to be a famous artist.
A famous artist?
Yeah.
Like Rolf Harris, mate?
What?
That would be amazing.
Righty, let's get you in the mood, guys. Interrobang are going to be with us right after this song.
It's time to roll a cold rock job. Yellow ribbon instead of a swastika. Nothing proper about your propaganda. Who's for the rules when the set command ya? Said it was blue when the blood was red. That's how you got a bullet blasted through your head. Blasted through your head, blasted through your head. I give a shout out to the living dead. Stood and watched as the feds go centralized. So serene on the screen, you was mesmerized. Cellular phone sounding a death tone. Corporations called turn you to stone before you realize. They load the clip in army color. Said they packed the 9. They fire it at prime time. The sleeping gas every home was like Alcatraz. And motherfuckers lost their minds. Just victims of the in-house drive-by. They say jump, you say how high.